Excuse me, right? Excuse me. Excuse me, can what? Can you have me, right? Okay, can you have me, please? Can you have me, please? Okay. So, how do I get to the what? Where do you want to go? To the playground. Okay. Playground. How do I get to the playground? So somebody will tell you. Okay, somebody will tell you how. Will tell you, okay, maybe boy. Okay, because boy we know a lot. Because in the place boy or girl, they know a lot, the little boy and the little girl. Okay, we can what? It's true, for example, it's true it's true the what? Okay, it's true to the revolving door, for example, it's true, okay, it's true the revolving door. Revolving door. So you can see what? You can see the playground. All right. So this one is you ask somebody to have you to go around inside for the big building because they have the stair, they have the elevator, they have stair, they have revolving door, they have escalator. So all of that you can ask them how to go, which one that you go to the place that you want to go. So and then like yesterday teacher told you about what? Polite and being helpful. So the word that you have to say here is what and what. So you have to say what? Thank you for your help, or thank you for showing the way, or thank you for being helpful, or you made this a happy day, for example, okay? Or we can say thank you for your help. This one is so easy for you, right? Okay. So this one, as you know already, just review only. So teacher help you understand all the lessons that you have learned with teacher. And this video only the review, okay? Only the review out of 2 lessons together because it's almost the same, alright? It's almost the same how to get somewhere. It is very far, this one, because this one is say something about the transport station, okay? And this one is not far. It's in the big building, and they have a lot of way to go. Okay, they have elevators, stair, revolving door, or escalator, or something like that. So this is the lesson that very interesting for me. I hope you are interested also, and please enjoy in this video. And the last one that teacher would like you to do this exercise is here. Alright, please listen carefully in here. Read and draw line. This one is for this exercise. Okay, this one, okay, here you see, can I help you? And then you will see that mommy